Hi guys, let's see how a client can make a request and how a partner can track it and how an employee can start a job in a All-Star TIC mobile app. First, I'm going to open this application. Yeah, already I have a client, partner and a employee registered already. So with that credentials I'm going to log in it. First I'm going to log in as a client to make a request. So I'm logging with the client credentials. Now it's loading. Yeah, you can see here we have a different project cost centers. Now I'm going to create a one job for Bena Yacht cost center. Here you can see a book service button is there. For this cost center I am going to request one job. So as a client I am requesting a job for this project cost center. So I am clicking a book service button. Yeah, it's navigated to a add job form, so you can add a job. I am requesting for a empty job and start date is 14th and time is 7:32 and end date is also I am choosing a next day and end date is 17:30 and team number is 1. Already a team size is 1, so now I am requesting a remarks providing a MPI services as a remarks. If you want to attach any files you can go ahead. If not, just click a add job button here. As a client I have requested a empty job on 14th July 17:13 to 7:13 to 17:30. Our team number is 1, so I am requesting this job. Just simply clicking a submit button. After submitting, it's showing a client request successfully booked. Once the client has requested a job, you can see a job costing here itself. For empty it is 209 in SGD. We have three options: hold, reject and accept. If this amount was not accept for you, just hold it. If not, reject it. Actually for me it's okay, so I'm giving as a accept. Once you give a accept, you can see a thanks for booking a service. As a client you have requested a job. Now I am log out from a client side. Now as a partner, how a partner can access this app? So I'm going to log in as a partner. With a partner credentials I'm logging a this mobile app. Here you can see we have a one job. These all jobs have already requested. This is the new jobs recently for this cost center. The status is accepted. You can see her job cost here also. Just a partner can assign a job for this request. So simply click a claim job. For empty, a date is 14th July and start date is 17:13 to 7:13 to 17:30. So a partner can assign a employee for this request. This is a process of the partner. Either he or she can assign it later also. Now I am going to assign. Here you can see assign button here. Just click on assign. On 14th July a team number is 1, so simply a partner can edit the team. Once you have open a team, you will get the available employees based on the skill set. I'm going to assign one employee. Now I'm going to assign these employee as a leader. So simply I'm giving a assign employee button. Actually for this, a client has requested a job. Now a partner is assigning a employee for that job. So a partner is going to assign a team. Yeah, updated, an employee assigned successfully. This is the job of a partner. Now I'm just log out from a partner. Now let's we see a task of a employee. Now I'm going to log in as a employee. Actually a partner has assigned one employee for that job. Now I'm going to log in with that employee credentials. Already I have registered these three: client, partner and a employee. Now you can see here on empty job 14th July as an employee login, it shows one a status is pending. Okay, employee status is pending. Once the employee gave a start job, Arisha start a job. Yes, now I'm as an employee, I'm giving a start. So you can see here. Now this is my current location. Actually destination I have set in some point. As an employee I'm giving as a, now I'm moving. Once the employee move, it will show in a map view. Now as an employee I'm giving a destination reached button here. Arisha, you reached a destination. Yes, as an employee I have reached a destination. Now you can see here from a pending states it has changed into a reached workplace. Now this is a way a client, a partner and a employee a task of a work in a All-Star TIC. First a client is requesting a job. Once the request is done, a partner is assigning a employee to that request. As an employee, once either employee is ready to work, he or she can give a start job. Once the employee reached a destination, a status will be changed like this. A partner can also track an employee. It will be shown later. This is how a partner, a client and an employee task of a work here. Hope this will be helpful for you. That's it. Thanks for watching.